Sceptre 240 Hz monitors, particularly models manufactured between 2022 and 2024, commonly experience specific power supply and display issues due to their high refresh rate demands. These monitors face three main categories of problems: power supply failures, display malfunctions, and voltage regulation issues. Let's examine each type systematically. Power supply failures are the most common issue. Capacitor degradation affects 15 to 20% of units after 18 to 24 months. Look for bulging capacitors or burn marks during visual inspection. Voltage regulation problems cause intermittent power cycling, while complete power supply failure results in no power indication at all. Display problems manifest as vertical lines, flickering, or complete screen failure. The main culprits include backlight inverter failures, timing controller board malfunctions, and cable connection issues. Proper diagnosis requires systematic testing. Start with visual inspection for obvious damage, then use a multimeter to test output voltages under both load and no-load conditions. Finally, examine voltage stability and noise levels to identify regulation problems that might not be apparent during basic voltage measurements. Sceptre 240 Hz monitors require significantly more power than standard displays, 45 to 65 watts, compared to 25 to 35 watts for standard monitors. These monitors require multiple precise voltage levels: 3.3 volts for logic circuits, 5 volts for digital processing, 12 volts for analog circuits, and 24 volts for backlight and panel operation. Remember, monitor repair involves working with potentially dangerous voltages. If you're not comfortable performing these diagnostic procedures safely, always seek professional repair assistance. The repair industry has shifted toward component-level repairs rather than replacing entire circuit boards. This approach is more cost-effective and environmentally sustainable, focusing on identifying and replacing specific failed components like capacitors. When performing repairs, using high-quality capacitors is crucial for long-term reliability. Recommended brands include Panasonic, Nichicon, and Rubicon, all rated for 105 degrees Celsius operation to handle the heat generated in high refresh monitors. Proper voltage specifications are critical for successful repairs. Sceptre 240 Hz monitors typically use multiple voltage rails: 24 volts for the main power, 5 volts for logic circuits, 3.3 volts for standby power, and variable 12 to 24 volts for the backlight system. Sceptre has made significant improvements in their 2024 and 2025 models. These include enhanced capacitor specifications for longer lifespan, improved thermal management in power supply design, and better quality control in manufacturing processes. The future of monitor design includes modular power supplies for easy user replacement, smart diagnostic capabilities that can identify problems automatically, and improved overall reliability through better engineering and component selection. Repairing monitors instead of replacing them offers significant cost savings. The average repair costs only $60 compared to $280 for a replacement. This approach also reduces electronic waste by 85%, making it both economically and environmentally beneficial. Online communities like the Monitor Repair subreddit have documented over 200 successful Sceptre 240 Hz repairs, saving an estimated $40,000 in replacement costs. These communities share knowledge, troubleshooting guides, and success stories that help others repair their monitors.